Hey guys, if you're a Binance Alpha trader, this video is for you. From now till January 4th, 11:59 UTC, you can earn up to 5 Binance Alpha points by just transferring tokens via Binance Chat. What this means is that for every 2 unique users you send at least $5 worth of a token via Binance Chat, you will earn 1 point. That means if you send at least $5 worth of a cryptocurrency via Binance Chat to 10 unique users, you will earn 5 Binance points, and 5 points is the maximum you can earn from this campaign. So how do you do that? You can launch your Binance Chat via your PC or your app, but for this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do that with your Binance app. On your Binance app, make sure you're on the home tab. On the home tab, tap the chats icon at the top of your screen just beside the hamburger icon. If you don't see the icon, you can search for chats, and here you can see chats. Tap on it. The next thing to do is to add the user to your chat. So here on the chat, tap chat, and here you can see your chats. To chat with a user, you first need to invite them. To invite them, you need to tap the plus icon, tap add contact, and here you can add a user via their Binance ID or chat ID. You can also scan their QR code to invite them. You will most likely be using a Binance user ID, so ask your friend to send you their Binance user ID. Paste the user ID here, tap search. In this case, this user has already accepted my invitation and I'm already chatted with them. For a user that you haven't chatted with, you will need to send an invitation. So here you will see the option to send an invite. So tap the send invite button and the user will receive an invite. If you've been invited, you will see a notification dot on the plus icon. So once you see it, tap plus, and here you can see your invitation. So tap invitations and you see everyone that has invited you. You can accept and reject their invitation. Once a user has accepted your invitation, you can start chatting with the user. Now what you need to do here is to send at least $5 worth of any cryptocurrency to this user. So to do that, tap the plus icon and tap send crypto. Here you can select the token you want to send, but I always use USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, tap continue and follow the prompts. You may be required to use your passkey or Google Authenticator. It depends on the settings you use on your account. So once you send the token to the user, it will appear like this. And you can then ask the user to send back the token. Now, if you send a token to someone, the points will only count for the sender. If the user sends the token back, the user won't get any point. If you've received a cryptocurrency via chat from a user, sending crypto to that user via chat will not add to your points in this campaign. Only transfers to a user you've not exchanged crypto with before via chat will add to your point. If you send at least $5 worth of USDT to 2 unique users, you earn 1 point. To earn 5 points, you need to make 10 transfers to 10 unique users. You have nothing to lose here because you are not spending any fees for this transfer. It's just like you transferring tokens via Binance user ID. There are no fees for such transfer. And if for some reason the user can't send back the crypto via Binance Chat, they can always send it via your user ID. So that's how to earn up to 5 Binance Alpha points from now to January 4th, 2026. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the comments or in my Telegram group. You will find the link to the group in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Binance Alpha updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. If you want to learn how to find the best tokens to trade on Binance Alpha, the best time to trade them, and how to minimize your trading fees and portfolio risk, check out my Binance Alpha comprehensive guide. You'll find the link to the video at the top of your screen. You'll also find the link to the video in the description. Even if you haven't interacted with Binance Alpha before, this video will provide you with everything you need to know about Binance Alpha and help you get up and running immediately. And that's it for today. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.